I'm so tired.
Oh, it's not going to be the first sleepless night we have. Hello everyone and welcome back. We're Chesca and Ben and we live full time in our self-converted sprinter van, Sophia. She's our tiny home on wheels, built with love and filled with everything we need. We spent last winter driving around Spain and Portugal and we are ready to get back on the road as soon as the world allows. As we prepare to move on from lockdown here in the UK, we might have picked up a tiny hitchhiker. We're the proud parents. So the time is 6:30 in the morning. Ben's got his mask on because we've discovered that they are amazing for hay fever. If anybody's suffering from like the fit of the sneezes or the itchy noses and stuff from hay fever, stick a mask on. I can guarantee you within a couple of minutes it will start to die down.
What's really good is that it's not just it's not just a cotton mask. There's a space inside for filters, so we've got medical filters inside, and that's what really helps.
But yes, it's a very special and exciting morning today, but we've got a little bit of a drive first. We're the proud parents.
Second chance.
Puppy parents.
Stealing glances.
Just say like she's sleeping at the moment. I'll tell you more.
We've been through some real rough patches. I know that.
Fast asleep.
Okay, so officially everyone, this is River.
Yeah.
River, this is the vlog.
Meet River. We made a decision that we wanted to get a dog months and months ago, before we came back from Portugal. So we always kept an eye out whilst we were out in Portugal and Spain, but nothing. Oh, hello. So when we came back, we thought with everything that was going on, we wouldn't have any chance of finding a dog at all, or not for the foreseeable future anyway.
No, we kind of just put it on the back burner, didn't we?
Yeah.
But then someone we know who's got a farm, their farm dogs, 2 collies had a litter of pups, an unexpected litter, and yeah, we just couldn't say no really.
Yeah. And here we are.
We drove over to get her yesterday and we're now the proud puppy owners of Little River. We had a kind of uneventful drive back. She was really good in the van and probably like a little overwhelmed by everything, so she was just kind of sat there and sleeping and then mooching around, and then she kind of came back to life when we got back, and then last night was the least sleep I think I've ever had.
It was an experience, wasn't it? Okay, well guys, it is end of day 1 with Little River. We're both very tired, aren't we? It was a very early start this morning. It was a very long drive there and back. But it must be even worse for River. She's been so good. She's just getting used to us. Trying to teach her name, but I think, you know, I'd say most of the first few days just letting her get settled. They'll find her space. She looks like she's already bagsied a spot on the bed. She already looks like she's bagsied my spot on the bed. But no, she's gorgeous. River. Yeah, good girl. Wow, what a night.
We didn't film any of it.
We didn't film any of it, A, because it was quick, get up, we think she's going to go for a wee, quick, get up, she's going to go for a poo, or oh my god, I'm so tired, don't bother picking up the camera, just take her outside and go for a wee. I think, oh look, good morning River, you say hi? Yeah? Oh, good girl, beautiful girl. It was a long night. I think we were up every hour, every couple of, I think we're up every couple of hours. And today she has woken up with a right little personality. She's such a little inquisitive little girl. She's cuddly, she's so affectionate. I think obviously yesterday it was such a big shock for the first time being away from her family. And then she realised she's got us as her family, so yeah.
She is, honestly, my heart is melting every time I look at her. Oh yeah, if you didn't know, she's a border collie, a red and white border collie, just like Bernard. I've always had border collies.
Bernard's black and white.
Except Bernard's black and white and she's red and white. But her mum is red and white. So she's like a mama. Isn't she?
Even though it's only been got 24 hours, a little personality is already starting to come out.
Yeah. She's just so tiny and like... So
we're
now 3 in a van.
3 in a van.
And yes, we will be taking her everywhere. She's going to get a little pet passport as soon as she can. And she's going to be a full-time adventure van dog, aren't you? No chasing sheep for you. She was up this morning, she was so lively and like playful, and then she's just crashed, haven't you? Yeah, let's go and get you in a little cushion. Prime spot right between us. We're off on a little road trip.
On the road again, River? So this is the crate we picked up earlier from Pets at Home. This is where we're just going to sleep for the next couple of weeks, I think, until we get to like properly toilet trained and just used to the... Oh, sweetie, what's wrong?
Just want a wee.
Go on. There you go. Hang on. Good girl.
Good girl. I finally got her in. Well, I say finally, just got her in.
Yeah, she's,
girl. This like cushion is part of her bed, and we had her on it when we drove back, and had her on it last night. So
oh, she's properly crashed out.
She's properly in it. Good girl. Look at that tummy. Look at that tummy. It looks like we're not the only ones who didn't get much sleep last night. She is just completely knocked out. I just wanted to ask those of you who live in a van with a dog, I know there's a few of you who watch this who do, if you have any tips, tricks, or any kind of like advice that you'd like to give us, that you would give to people who are about to have a dog in their van, let us know. We're like open to everything, because we've never done this before. Oh. Oh. Thank you. Thank you. You need a nice snooze this afternoon. Who's this?
Hello.
Who's this?
Oh. Oh, you got stuck. You got stuck there, sweetie.
So you may see that our duvet is behind us right now. It's because we were playing with somebody on the bed and didn't realise how excitable she was getting.
Yeah, it's only an accident, River, isn't it? You're not properly trained yet, are you?
So I'm in the hunt at my nan's to go and get us a replacement duvet.
River, is it comfortable? Are you comfortable sat on my neck like that? So, oh, a new duvet for me to go and pee on.
What time is it? What day is it? It's 10 to 6.
So we've had nearly 6 hours sleep.
Yeah, that was amazing.
Oh, well done, River. It was the first night in her crate, and when we put her in, well, yesterday before we put her in, we sort of introduced it to her, sort of treated her and got in. Anyway, when we put her in at night, oh, she did not like it. She was howling, and just sat with her for half an hour and just sort of, you know, gave lots of love and affection and some treats and things, and she settled down.
And she's been there.
And then she's been there ever since, yeah, for 6 hours. I just got up, took her straight out, and she went for a wee. Straight away. Lots of treats then. Oh, you're beautiful. Oh. Did you sleep alright?
Yeah, I did actually. Did you? Or did you keep waking up?
No, I slept right through.
We had 6 hours sleep last night.
A record, day 2, 6 hours sleep.
Yeah, she did well. She had a cry in her crate, And then Ben went and sat with her, didn't he? I sat with you until you went off to sleep.
but there's still more time.
Okay, so puppy day 2. She is full on puppy mode now. Ben was out of the shops today and she had her first bark wanting me to play with her while I was tidying up. And I'm so gutted that he's missed it, and obviously I didn't catch it on camera. But she is in full puppy mode. She is just playing with everything. She wants to play with us all the time. Yeah, look at her. She's gonna be a one bundle of energy. Yeah, don't say hi to the vlog. Say hi to everyone. Just look at those eyes. Hey? She's getting really inquisitive and curious about everything, so I think she's very, very much gonna enjoy van life. Van life, here you are. You're gonna enjoy van life. And yeah, she's already so curious about everything. I just can't wait to take her out on walks and get her adventuring and exploring and seeing all these new places and sights and smells. You're gonna have lots of fun, aren't you, little River?
Hello, hello, hello. Oh yeah, hello.
Oh, someone's missed you.
Oh, no. Hello. Well, tomorrow we'll properly let you out, can't we? You had all your vaccinations.
So I'm just about to do my nan a boiled egg for her lunch. Not a very exciting story, but she wants toasted soldiers, which I've ever grown up with a dippy egg. You have toasted soldiers.
No, you don't.
And today she wanted some nice bread, but she wanted it soft, as in like not toasted. And I was like, that's a bit weird. And Ben found out Ben has only ever had soft bread.
Yeah, you just have soft bread, so it's like all like gooey and
They're
soft.
soldiers because they're like hard bits of little.
No, they're soldiers.
Toast.
They look like
Okay.
What's the consensus? Do you have like
Soldiers.
soldiers
with
or
a
dippy
boiled egg.
soldier? You know, boiled egg with bread. Do you have it toasted or do you have it like
Toasted,
non-toasted?
obviously.
No,
It's
not.
toasted.
It's not. I've never, ever, even when you go and like
River,
order.
what is it? Yeah, River says
See,
She
non-toasted.
said toasted.
No, she said you're an idiot if you think it's. Not the lightest and easiest things to carry. And we ordered these collapsible carriers, which are really good. And they just fold up and sit in there, and they don't take any room up in there, which is awesome. Oh, hello.
Hello, River. What's your tea?
Fold it over, push all the air out, and then yeah, it just sits in there. There you go.
Thank you. Just catching up with some work while we can.
Oh, come on, that's sweet.
And there's proper feet in there as if she was washing them.
Okay.
So you can't stand in it.
There we go, that's good, isn't it? So she's still getting used to, what was it, poo aiming.
Yeah,
So
she's not got her balance.
She hasn't got a balance yet, so your little paw went in, didn't it? But let me put you down because you've been nice, well done. You've been nice, well done, River. Good girl, River. Oh, no, I think you're right. I think the piment sort of. What was that thing? That's much better, though.
Yeah?
She's got that richness.
Yeah. Oh god, I feel like I've not stopped in 3 days.
You mean both ways.
It feels like we've got a baby.
You have.
Like a human baby.
I guess it's all the same if I
You know it's gonna be a good day.
River. Good girl. River.
River. Lee. I think it's day 3 of having a puppy, and I think I've lost count of what the days are.
Do you know, I haven't. No, if I didn't know, if I wasn't, because I was a parcel arrived today, I wouldn't have known what day it was.
So this is what I wrote to my friend Tanya last night. I said, we're sleep deprived and don't know what day it is. We're on our 3rd duvet change. I've already googled what should my puppy's poo look like, and our YouTube watch list is now exclusively a guy called Zach George. But we're full to the brim of puppy love, of course. It's just...
Do you know what, it's brilliant, but gosh, she is demanding.
It's like a tornado has just come into your life and everything is just like, yeah. But she's getting her vaccinations today, which is really exciting because we've had to kind of exercise her either in the van or in the house. And we don't really want to. I don't know if we're being a bit overcautious. Ben thinks I might be.
No, I think I've never had a puppy before, so I'm following your lead.
Side. But she's having her first vaccinations today, so after that we can at least take her out in our garden and she can burn off some excess energy in there.
Yes, because she's already wanting to...
I'm not even sure what we've managed to vlog this week. So now we're gonna go and we need to get her a new harness because the harness that we've got is just too big for her, and she's now figured out how to wriggle free of it. And when we take her to the vets, all the vets, I think they're outside, like you can't go in, so we have to wait outside with her. So I just want to make sure she's got a good harness that fits her nicely.
Yeah.
And so that when we can take her out and stuff. And then I think obviously get her some tug toys.
That's the main thing.
Then get back and have some lunch. Look, she's sleeping now like butter wouldn't melt.
Where is she?
Down
Where's she
here.
down that floor?
And you. Go on. River. Got a co-pilot. Yeah.
Yep, co-pilot's in. Let's get the other little paw in there. Oh, you're so good.
Oh, look at you.
Well, yeah.
Is it still a bit?
It's got like it's got the gap there. So
River.
there you go.
Look at you. He's a smart doggy.
There you go. All suited up. We need that to take you to the vet.
No. She's fully vaccinated. The vet said that she didn't make a sound. We weren't actually able to go in with her because of the coronavirus, so the vet took her in from outside and said she didn't make a sound. And now that she's vaccinated, we've introduced her to the one and only B-dog, to Bernard, and she loves him, but he's more interested in playing with the ball. River has already stolen our hearts. We are totally in love and bloody knackered. We can't wait to show her a lifetime of adventures on the road. If you're new here, please subscribe to follow our journey as we explore the world in our camper van and teach River the ropes of being a van dog. Click the notifications bell to never miss an episode and join us for the ride. It's going to be a good one. What do you think of River, Mum?
Oh, she's gorgeous. I love her. She's my first grandchild. Aren't you, baby girl? What's he doing, Annie? My first baby. Look.
It's well and truly worn out. This is the 3rd duvet we've had in 3 days. And we've got 1, 2, well, we've got her crate here, this 3rd blanket here, and she's choosing to sleep on the one bit of the bed that doesn't have a blanket on. But we love her, so we don't mind.